The K20 Pro is finally here. I have been using it since 1 week and here are my initial impressions. First, let's go through the box content. You get the phone itself, obviously, a black hardshell case, some documentation, a SIM ejector tool, USB Type-C cable, and an 18-watt fast charger. This phone supports up to 27-watt fast charging, and you can get this 27-watt charger separately for 1000 rupees. Coming to the phone itself, I have the flame red color with 256 gigs of internal storage and 8 gigs of RAM. In terms of specifications, this phone is a complete package with hardly anything missing. The first thing that impressed me as soon as I held this phone in my hand is this beautiful design. Compared to the boring design of the Poco F1, this thing looks stunning. It's also built really well with the metal frame and Gorilla Glass 5 protection on both front and back. Coming to the display, compared to the normal LCD screen of Poco F1, which had some issues like light bleeding and that massive notch, this phone has an amazing AMOLED screen and is completely bezel-less and notchless. It even goes one step further and supports HDR content even on Netflix, which is very impressive. Camera is another department where this phone totally impresses. You get the flagship grade 48MP sensor from Sony, an ultra-wide-angle lens, as well as a 2x telephoto lens. The front pop-up camera is also very impressive. This phone also has Camera to API enabled and supports Gcam and its amazing night side shots as well as portrait shots. In terms of battery life, based on my 1 week of use, I've been getting a consistent battery life of more than 1 day with 7+ hours of screen on time, which is very impressive. Charging takes less than 2 hours with the included 18-watt charger and just a little over 1 hour with the 27-watt charger. The biggest draw of this phone is its performance. This phone has the snappiest dragon of them all, the Snapdragon 855. This thing is crazy fast. Everything opens in an instant, there is absolutely no lag or stuttering. With all this power, you can run all the games on the highest settings. This phone is an absolute beast in terms of performance. In terms of software, this phone has MIUI 10 on top of Android 9 Pie. This is a very feature-packed and polished UI. But the biggest issue with MIUI is memory management. My phone has 8 gigs of RAM and still it can't hold more than 10 apps in memory, which is absolutely ridiculous. I know they do this to save battery, but I feel they need to do a better job at balancing things like OnePlus and Samsung. Lastly, this is a minor issue, but the pop-up selfie camera mechanism is a bit slow, especially for face unlock. However, the under-display fingerprint scanner is pretty fast and reliable. So overall, I'm extremely impressed with this phone. It gets almost everything right, and you can get this package for under 30,000 rupees, which is absolute insanity. This is definitely the best deal in terms of smartphones right now. Alright, that's it for the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel down below. Thanks for watching.